So you've just got the daughters, actually?
One daughter, yeah.
Oh, no.
But I brought her up as a boy as well.
Is it?
Yeah. I always thought all girls, when they're small, they're tomboys. But
Yeah.
I was wrong, but I mean, she was a tomboy. You know, so she did everything over there.
And is she a daddy's girl or a mommy's girl?
No, I think she's a daddy's girl.
Okay.
Although she's staying with her mommy. Right now, she stays in Victoria with her mother. But, yeah.
Is it difficult for you?
I'm okay, because I do realise that, you know, any child needs a mother and a father.
But girls more so.
Yeah, especially their mothers.
Yeah.
You know, especially when they start going through changes
Oh, yeah.
in their life.
Absolutely.
So I realise that, you know, that's what they need.
I see what you did to the girls here. I trust you.
Sure, it's thick.
Is there?
Yeah.
And it's actually the string. It's not just a lot of bead. You've got the perfect personality for this industry, eh?
You think so?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, we try.
No, I don't know if you're familiar with how other hairdressers are. They like, you know, it's about their personality and they like, their personalities are very big.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, I can tell you, we had like a Christmas do and we all had like a big lunch and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And my other brother brought his maid, and her name was Elisa.
Yeah.
And my brother's girlfriend, this hairdresser one, her name is Lisa. Well, and then when we finished eating, I said, "Come on, Lisa!" So I said, "Elisa, go wash the dishes." And she just stripped herself from me.
Oh my
She
God.
just bit my head off. It's not Lisa, it's Lisa.
Oh my God.
But I mean, she was chatting and laughing a minute ago, you know what I'm sort of saying?
So, and then she felt like she needed to put you in place.
Yeah. Okay.
But there's a way to handle people like that. You just ignore them.
Absolutely. But now my brother suffers, you see, because we don't want to go there to visit. She's also like a really neat freak, you know?
Yeah.
They actually call it something, I don't know, some sort of disorder or something.
Compulsive.
Yeah, but she's really neat, you know.
Yeah, but you must live your life now.
Yeah, we do. Look, we're still very family orientated, so
Yeah.
the family will get together when there's birthdays or special days and stuff like that, you know.
But Sachi, what is Sachi? English name or?
No, we're Austrian.
Oh, Austrian.
Yeah. That's why I also speak Afrikaans.
Yeah.
Speak German. Well, we don't call it German because my father will turn around his grave. You know, it's, when you say Austrian, it's Austrian.
Okay.
You're not German, you're Austrian. But then Hitler was also Austrian.
Yeah.
He was not German. Guys, back. Coming to watch your mom's transformation.
What is mommy doing?
Your mom said she wanted G.I. Jane. Yeah, it's also good.
And that's the full name, Sacha.
Yeah. Okay, the reason why I'm showing this small part of the real thing is because you always have to remember what you said. You always have the fear that you use an overshot.
Yeah.
And this will eliminate it.
Alright.
And this is something that, you know where I learned this? This I learned in China when I worked there.
Wow.
Because the Chinese has got like a really thick hair probably like you as well. And that's the only way you can sort of get away from that really bushiness, yeah.